How to create a board in Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Let's learn to create a board to save your collection in Pinterest. First, open Pinterest app and make sure to log into your account. Now from the bottom right, you can see saved. Just tap on it. And at the top, you can see different options like pins, boards, and collages. Tap on boards and you can just tap on the center to create a new board. Then type in the name that you want to name the board and click create. This way you can create a board. Now you just have to go to your home page and start scrolling, and whichever profile, whichever post you want to save, just tap on save. And at the top you can see the option to organize. Just tap on organize and there you can see the name of the board that you just created. Tap on it and your board will be decorated. All your saved posts and organized posts will be collected on the board. That's it. That is how you create a board in Pinterest. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.